Wondering how to make money online? Try these ideas today. A lot of people are using the internet to make cash these days. There are many ways to earn online, however, not every opportunity is created equal. So you need to know what to look out for and what kinds of websites and jobs to avoid. Watch this video for advice that will help you. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Build a schedule for your daily activity. How much you earn online is determined by how persistent and dedicated you are. There is no magic road to riches. You need to put in a lot of work each day of the week. You need to have a time established daily for focused work. Just an hour every day can go a long way. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. This video has proven that you can make money on the internet through many ventures. When you are educated, you're more likely to see money coming in. Whether you want to earn a living or just supplement your current income, the internet has you covered. Learn the things that you can about making cash online and you can start making money today. Student loan.